Hi, this is your guy Julius Washington from United Real Estate, and we're here in Woodcreek Farms here today in a community called Pecan Orchards at Woodcreek Farms. And essentially, what you're going to take a look at the property here today is it's a Northridge plan built by Pulte Homes, giving you about 4 bedrooms. This home is a nice quality build job, and you'll see that as we walk all throughout of it. You'll get a look at all the nice little appointments and features and touches that this house has. Just wanted to give you the flavor of the kind of job that they're building out here. These homes are pretty much you're going to have access. Either you're going to be on the Gulf side, where till you're backed up behind your property, or you're going to be backed up by the lake. So it's one of those things that you're taking a look at here at Pulte Homes. Walk in real quick. First thing you'll notice is a very open and spacious foyer. As we swivel here to the left, look at the nice little details and features. Wainscoting on the sides of the home. This could be your dining room. You'll take a look at the features here. The ceiling, nice high ceilings. We'll take a look and we'll move over here to the left, and you'll see here is a Butler Pantry with nice storage top and bottom. Stain, you got your glass backsplash here, tile backsplash, and you take a look at the countertop itself. It's a nice quality countertop. The same countertop that's hard surface, and you'll take a look here. A big open kitchen, open concept. So you got to really like that feel to it. It's this feel here is a nice little touch. Farmer sink in the middle, ceramic farmer sink. Gas essentially is what we're looking at here. It's got a 5 burner. It looks like a gourmet kitchen. Okay, so what you'll have is a oven on the bottom, and then you have a microwave / convection oven here up on the top. Storage galore. You gotta love that. Yeah, one of the things I mentioned is quartz countertops. So you got a nice white finish, and then you've got the amazing gray background in the background. Stainless steel appliances throughout. We talked about the KitchenAid here. Then now you're taking a look over here. You have the stainless steel refrigerator. Plenty of counter space, very open. You got the gray tile that's woven together here that gives you a nice little feel and a nice little flavor. And then over here, where as we transition, you'll see is a nice little eat-in nook, eat-in area and kitchen. Still very open as you transition over here to the family living space area here. You'll see here, nice little feel, nice little flavor. And that's a fireplace there. I would take a look at it. It'll be gas operated fireplace. And a nice little mantle on the top of it that allows you to put a big screen TV on the top. So we'll transition over here, and as you can see, there's a nice little office space in here. It's a different, unique feature. One of I've seen, again, giving you these quartz countertops with desk storage capacity for you here. All right, high ceilings. But a nice little cut through right in here from where we're located here that allows you to see out into the living space area, which is a nice little feel. Allows you to continue to observe what's going on out there in the family area. Okay, we'll transition from here and we'll move to the outdoor. What we've noticed is all the bedrooms are located upstairs. But this is one of the features that, my wife and I, we've previewed this place before, and you'll take a look at it. You'll love the outdoor living area. Okay, so you have a screened in area here, and then with a nice little high ceiling fan here, keep you warm in the process. But then you'll exit out of here, and then you'll have an outdoor living area. So this is some of the type of features that you could potentially have placed in your home. Here, what you have is a nice little fire pit. Give you an example with the brick pavers throughout. A well manicured lawn. Okay, and then an outdoor kitchen area. so it allows you to cook, you know, those nice little flavorful meals, and potential area here spacing wise for a nice little sitting area. Just give you some ideas of the things that you can do on the property out here. And as I mentioned before, there you go. There's a golf, one of the holes there, starting point, and then you got the lake there in the background. So now we'll transition from here. We'll head back into the house, but I definitely wanted you to get a perspective and see the outdoor area. Trust me, this is worth the view and worth taking a look at. And we'll transition up to the bedrooms that are upstairs. Okay, we'll go upstairs. I forgot to show you that. Oh, well, let's do that while we're here. Here's your actual half bath that's downstairs. So you very spacious half bath. Okay, allow you to see that while we're here before we head upstairs. Nice wood stair, the actual planks and the risers as you're heading upstairs. Okay, we'll go to bedroom number 1 here to your left. All right, we have a walk-in closet, high ceilings again, like I mentioned. Okay, you can see your bedroom here. Gives you a chance to take a look and see. And here's a feature I like: as you're in this bedroom, you can actually exit out of here and head out to the little porch. That's the upstairs porch. Okay, nice touch, nice features. All right, hardy plank on the exterior, as I mentioned before. And we'll head on out this room. And there's bathroom, which is a shared bathroom. Got the quartz countertops again. Okay, this is a garden tub / shower combination. Plenty of space in here with the tiled flooring. Okay. And then we'll transition out of here. We'll head to the next room. This is bedroom number 2. Again, allowing you to see the space that's in this room. All right. Give you some ideas and to visualize how you could actually make this house your home or a similar floor plan in another part of this community. Okay. So we'll transition here to bedroom number 3. All right, which is the master suite. We'll pan out. Now you can see this is a larger bed, king size. Okay, with the different type of finishings on the wall that you can actually potentially put there. Speaking to the reps out here, called Ship Crip, I believe that's what they call it. And we'll move in. Here's the master's bathroom suite. Phenomenal touches in here, you guys. You gotta see this in person. Okay, you got the separated vanity. So you got a vanity here with a nice size large mirror. And then you've got a second vanity set over here with its own mirror. Okay, here's your walk-in closet. All right. All right, and then you have little separate closets in here for more closet space. Okay. Look in here as well. Here's your toilet area, water closet. It has a door to it, and then another closet for your linen. All right, so it gives you a perspective of that. Final thing we'll talk about here in the master suite is a large, spacious stand-up shower. Okay, tile all the way to the ceiling. Nice little quality touch. Okay, with a bench in the back, giving you the space that you need. Okay, transition out here. We're not going to see bedroom 4 today, but the bedroom 4 is similar to the other beds. So for this model here, and here we talked about, here's another closet. We'll show you that as well. A little step in, a little walk in as well. So there are, in this plan, there are multiple closets. I've counted 1, 2, 3 different closets for this particular floor plan here. Okay. So now we'll transition out of the master suite and we'll go to our left here, and here's your laundry room. This is a nice size, little spacious laundry room with plenty of space. Storage cabinets for you to put whatever items you need to support your laundry requirements. We've got space for a washer and dryer, just to show you a perspective of how that's in there. And then there's your room over the garage. Okay, call it a frog. Spacious, and it's got the built-in speakers here that you can make this potentially like a movie room setup, and do some other features, wirings and speakers that you need to do to give it yet a complementary effect. And here's a closet just for you to take a look at. But again, this is a frog, the room over the garage. They're using this concept just to show you that this could be used as a movie room, but you can use it however you see fit. All right, this is your guy Julius Washington here at United Real Estate. Hope you like this tour. And if you have any questions that I can help answer, please let me know. Would love to help you in any way we can. Julius Washington signing out.